It's Ray's Repair Zone here. We have a 1989 Isuzu Trooper RS. And it has a 2.6 liter 4ZE1 engine. Now the water pump went. You can see the water pump, it's pretty wobbly. Now in order to change this water pump, you have to take all this apart. Radiator, the pulleys down here, the harmonic balancer, because you can't get one bolt in this water pump right here. So now I got this. The reason why you got to take the harmonic balancer off is because this whole cover goes right around. Goes right around the harmonic balancer, so you can't even get it off. So now we can take that off. And you can see down here, right there. Oh, where is it? Can't see. Where's my? There's my camera. Okay, right down. Where's my finger? Right down there. There's one bolt. One bolt that you can't get, and the rest is those bolts are all exposed. So I'm going to change the timing belt. I'm thinking I'm going to change the oil pump. I'm going to change the timing belt, the tensioner pulley, and the crank seal and the cam seal, I think, while I'm at it. May as well. And new belts.